Imagine a world where the ground suddenly opens beneath your feet, where the sky glows in impossible colors, where oceans rise without warning, and animals move like they're part of something bigger, something we don't fully understand. Welcome to 2026, a year where nature is reminding us who's really in control. From terrifying disasters to breathtaking sky events, from violent oceans to unbelievable animal behavior, these are one in a million moments, and many of them were caught on camera. Let's begin. It starts deep beneath the earth, pressure building for years, even centuries. Then suddenly, boom! Volcanoes erupt with unstoppable force. Lava rivers burn everything in their path, while ash clouds turn day into night. In 2026, multiple eruptions shocked nearby communities, forcing evacuations within minutes. Nature doesn't knock, it explodes. The ocean pulls back, unnaturally far. People gather confused, curious, and then they see it. A wall of water racing toward land at terrifying speed. Tsunamis don't just flood, they erase everything. Entire coastlines can change in minutes, and the scariest part, by the time you see it, it's already too late. A dark funnel drops from the sky like a twisting monster. Cars lift, houses tear apart. The wind screams louder than anything you've ever heard. Tornadoes in 2026 have been stronger, faster, and more unpredictable than ever. Some appear with almost no warning. Blink, and everything is gone. At first, it's just a rumble. Then the mountain moves. Tons of rock and earth collapse downward, swallowing roads, homes, and entire villages. Landslides don't just destroy, they bury. Nature doesn't always strike from above. Sometimes it comes crashing down. 1 second, solid ground. Next second, nothing. Sinkholes open silently, instantly swallowing cars, buildings, even people. In several 2026 incidents, roads collapsed in broad daylight with no warning at all. It's like the earth itself suddenly disappears. Snow? Peaceful and still? Until it isn't. A small shift triggers a massive cascade. Snow rushes down mountains at deadly speed, carrying everything with it. Avalanches don't give second chances. Silence, then chaos, a flash brighter than the sun. Lightning strikes are becoming more frequent and intense. Some are so powerful they hit the same place multiple times in seconds. Captured in slow motion, it looks almost unreal, but it's very real and very deadly. A storm, unlike any other. Rotating clouds stretch across the sky like something out of a movie. Supercells bring tornadoes, giant hail, and extreme winds all in one system. People in 2026 have recorded skies that look almost alien, beautiful, but dangerous. A spark? That becomes an unstoppable inferno. Wildfires are spreading faster than ever, fueled by heat and wind. Entire forests turn into flames within hours. The sky turns orange. The air becomes unbreathable. Fire doesn't just destroy land, it changes lives forever. Falling from the sky. But not just small pieces, massive chunks, some the size of baseballs. Cars crushed, windows shattered, people running for cover. Hailstorms in 2026 have shocked meteorologists worldwide. The sky dances. Green, purple, and red lights ripple across the horizon. Auroras, once rare in many regions, are now being seen in unexpected places. It's one of nature's most beautiful mysteries. Clouds that look like UFOs. Perfectly shaped, smooth, hovering. These rare formations have confused people for years, but they're just another reminder. Nature can look unreal, out of nowhere. A giant wave rises in the open ocean, far bigger than anything around it. Ships have been destroyed by these unexpected monsters. No warning, no escape. Water spinning with incredible force. Anything caught inside gets pulled down. Whirlpools are rare, but terrifying when they appear. A tornado? Over water? A spinning column connecting sky and sea. Beautiful from a distance, deadly up close. Water rising slowly, then all at once. Floods have displaced millions in recent years. Streets turn into rivers. Homes disappear underwater. It's not just destruction, it's displacement. Invisible, but powerful. Ocean currents can pull even strong swimmers away in seconds. What you can't see can hurt you the most. Thousands, sometimes millions, moving together. Bees, locusts, birds, forming massive clouds that darken the sky. It's both fascinating and terrifying. A living cloud bends the sky. No leader, just instinct. Each bird reads the next. Together they write a moving map of survival. The flock turns like ink in water. Fluid, sudden, shared. No voice calls it, connection alone conducts the dance. Thousands rise, one mind formed in motion. Edges blur, patterns bloom. Order born from instinct, vanishing just as fast. A murmur begins long before you notice it. At first it is only a smudge against the evening sky, an uncertain flicker at the edge of vision. You might mistake it for smoke, or a distant cloud losing shape. But then it moves with intention. It folds in on itself, stretches, contracts, and suddenly you understand. This is not one thing, but thousands. A murmuration of starlings. They gather as daylight thins, drawn together by a logic that seems almost invisible. There is no leader carving a path, no single bird calling the turns. Instead, each bird watches its closest neighbors, 7, perhaps 8, and adjusts in an instant. A shift in one becomes a ripple in all. The result is a living system, a cloud that thinks without a brain, decides without a voice. The flock expands, a great inhale, then snaps inward like a held breath released. It twists into ribbons, spirals into funnels, blooms outward again. Shapes emerge and vanish before the mind can name them: an arrow, a wave, a heart, a sudden void. It is choreography without rehearsal, precision without design.